With just 5 topics, let us see how to clear M2 paper and also the important topics in each unit. The first topic which comes under each unit is a very important topic. With that you can clear M2 paper. In Unit 1, reduce quadratic form to canonical form is a direct 16 marks. The next 16 mark is to find eigenvalue and eigenvector and to verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Each topic carries 88 marks. In Unit 2, we have 3 theorems, Gauss, Green's and Stokes. If you learn any 2, you can score 16 marks. And the most important is Gauss divergence theorem. In Unit 3, we have 4 topics. Each topic carries 88 marks. Among that, conformal mapping as well as bilinear transformation are most important. By solving bilinear transformation, you could score 8 marks in a simple way. Unit 4, most of the time you get 2 questions from the counter integration. So along with the Lorentz series, you get counter integration so that you can score 16 marks. In Unit 5, periodic function as well as convolution theorem, we have just 3 methods. If you learn those 3 methods, for sure you can score 88 marks. If you are thorough with the first 3 topics, you can score 16 marks. For more videos on each topic related to M2, subscribe to my channel, and of course your comments are welcome.